Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to jump right into this video. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I made this custom dress. So I got this sweatshirt in a 2XL, I believe, at Walmart for $14.88. And it was super long, y'all. I used the old dress, which I should have used more recent dress, but I couldn't find one at the time. But we're gonna go ahead and wet this shirt. This material, it did take a lot to wet it because it soaks up really fast. So I used an awesome bottle because that's the only bottle that I had. So we're gonna literally lay it out and twist it in the middle, like really simple, y'all. So I put 2 rubber bands on here. This video is really quick, and this is so simple if you watching, you know. But just spray the bleach on here. I did it on both sides. Y'all, I was so scared because it looked like it was turning gray on the outside, but when I opened it up, it actually turned out pretty well. But some of the spots was really big because my bottle was not spraying properly. So and this is the outcome. Yeah, I really liked it. As y'all can see, I was super happy for the come out. I really like the back as well. So yeah, it's lit. Let's get it. Y'all, I can't wait to learn how to dance. Okay, so we're gonna rinse it off with some water, and then I'm going to put a little detergent on here to wash it a little bit. And after that, I let it air dry, and then we're gonna get started with the rest. Hey, here's Sus. You want to get your favorite dress that fits. Yeah, this is an old dress. I don't know why I used this, matter of fact, because I couldn't find the other one. So we're going to cut, make sure you do a couple inches away from the dress so it can fit, sis, okay? Because mine was a little snug, but I squeezed my skinty ass all up in it, okay? But no, for real, make sure y'all cut inches away when y'all doing this. So I'm just going to flip it over and cut it just the same as I did the other side. So I got this from Walmart. Both of these I got from Walmart. So I'm literally just going to cut off the sleeves on each side. And I did keep the little thick thread part right there, the seam part, because I just felt like I should keep them in. It actually turned out just as I wanted it to look. So we're going to go ahead and turn the dress inside out, and then we're going to put some pins up the side, and let's get the sewing. Okay, so I sewn on both sides of the dress, so you're going to flip it to the right side, and we're going to attach the sleeves. I did use the pins as well to help the sleeves stay intact, so it can be so much easier for me to thread. Okay, so now that the sleeve is done, this is how it looks, and it looks pretty damn good. But now to the final and finishing look. So, babes, down in the comment section, let me know what y'all think about this dress. It turned out super cute for me. It is a size small if anybody is interested, because it kind of fit a little too snug on me. But make sure y'all follow me on all of my social media accounts listed down below, to be updated with all my activities, festivities, and everything. Keeping up with more. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I love you guys oh so much. Peace.